Creating a chart. To create a chart, follow these steps. First, enter the data in the worksheet on which the chart is based. In this example, we will use the data given alongside. Select the range A1:C5 to be displayed as chart. Second, click the Insert tab. In the Charts group, click the Column drop-down menu arrow. Third, click Clustered Column in the drop-down list. Excel creates the chart and places it in a box in the center of the worksheet as shown. Two new tabs appear on the Chart tool ribbon, Design and Format, and the Design tab is selected. You can change the size of the chart by dragging its corners. You can also move it to a different part of the worksheet by dragging the white background. To get suggestion as to which type of chart should be created, click the Recommended Charts command. It will open the Insert Chart dialog box with suggestions for several different charts based on the data. You can also move your chart to a new location using the Move Chart dialog box. Follow these steps to do so. First, click Move Chart in the Location group. The Move Chart dialog box appears. Second, click New Sheet text box and type a name for the new sheet. Let us name the new sheet as Chart 1. The chart is moved to a new sheet in the workbook named as Sheet 2, the name you typed. The chart is automatically scaled to fill the entire page in landscape orientation. Chart elements. By using the Add Chart element, you can add or change many chart components such as axis titles, chart title, data labels, data table, grid lines, and legend. By clicking the Add Chart element in the Chart Layouts group and select the required options. Chart title. When you click the Chart title option, it displays three options: None, Above Chart, and Centered Overlay. Click on Above Chart. The chart title text box will be added to the chart. To give the chart title, double-click the placeholder and type the text. Axis title. You can add titles along the x-axis and the y-axis using the Axis Titles option. To add an x-axis title, click Axis Title, Primary Horizontal. The x-axis title text box appears. Double-click on it and change the title to name of the candidate. To add a y-axis title, click Axis Title, Primary Vertical. The y-axis title text box appears. Double-click on it and change the title to Marks. Legend. Legend displays a drop-down list with many options. You can hide the legend by clicking None. Click Legend, Left. The legend is placed to the left of the chart. Data labels. Data labels allow you to display the value of each column just above its top. Click Data Labels and choose the label location. Data table. The data table option allows you to add a table with the data to the chart. Click Data Table with legend keys. Grid lines. You can use grid lines in the axis group to specify how grid lines should be displayed on the chart. Major grid lines are grid lines at large intervals. Minor grid lines are arranged at smaller intervals. For both horizontal and vertical grid lines, the options available are Primary Major Horizontal, Primary Major Vertical, Primary Minor Horizontal, and Primary Minor Vertical. Quick Layout. The Quick Layout tab allows you to add chart elements quickly. Click the Quick Layout button in the Chart Layouts group. Suppose you select the Layout 9. This layout adds the title to the top, center of the chart, axis titles, and moves the legend to the right. Chart styles. Excel provides you some options to format the chart components to make them look more attractive. It also provides ready-made chart styles. To preview the various styles, click the More arrow at the bottom right corner of the Chart Styles group. As you move the mouse pointer to a chart style, it appears on the screen. You can choose the desired style. If you choose Style 8, your chart will look like the one shown alongside. Changing chart type. You can use this option to change the type of the chart. Click the Change Chart Type button in the Type group. The Change Chart Type dialog box appears. Select a new chart type and layout. Click OK. The selected chart will be displayed. Format tab. On the Format tab, various commands are available for formatting text and numbers in a chart. Click on the chart title to select it. Click the Text Fill drop-down menu arrow in the Word Art Styles group and select the blue color from the drop-down color palette that appears. Similarly, make the axis titles red in color. Select the chart as a whole by clicking it. Click the Shape Fill drop-down menu arrow in the Shape Styles group and select light orange color from the drop-down color palette that appears. This will set the background color for the chart. Fill the chart background with light orange color. Spark lines. You can use Spark Line feature to create a miniature chart that fits in a single cell. There are three types of spark lines: line, column, and win or loss. Line and column spark lines are compact versions of standard line and column charts. The win or loss spark lines indicate whether a cell value is positive, a win, negative, a loss, or 0, a tie. You can create a spark line based on the data in a single row or in multiple rows. To create a spark line, follow these steps. First, select the data without the column headings of a single row, or if you are creating multiple spark lines, select all the data, that is B3 to E12 here. Second, click the Insert tab. In the Spark Lines group, click one of the three spark line types: line, column, or win or loss. The Create Spark Lines dialog box appears. Third, specify location range as $F, $3, $F, $12, either by typing or selecting the required cell range. Fourth, click OK. Excel creates the spark lines of the type you specified.